Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. We're up here at the pig barn, and I wanted to show you guys 2 feeder pigs we finally got in. So let's go over and check those out. There's Porky, she's doing real good. Here's one of the feeder pigs. One's over there laying down, so they kind of all look the same. But this is the show pig, you can kind of see the difference. Of course, they're a lot smaller. So they're still a little timid because we just got them in last night about 9 o'clock. So. But tomorrow, or this Saturday, is tagging day, so we got to take them all up and get them tagged in for the fair. And hopefully that goes well. We just got to figure out the logistics of getting them all up there because we only got like 5 slots in the trailer. And I think we're taking 7 pigs. So we'll have to figure all that out. But anyways, I just wanted to give you an update on feeder pig and let you know we got them in, and that's it. So we'll head on back down to the farm, and I got a few chores we got to get done. So I'll catch you guys down there. All right, guys, we're down here at the hobby farm. These chickens only got a couple weeks left, and they are gone. I got to give them some water. We also got 2 little chicks in here. They're just still too young. I don't know if you can see them. They're too young to put them in the sunglasses on, coop with the other chickens because they'll peck them to death for sure. Turkeys are doing good. Take you over here and show them. They're getting pretty big. We do have a runt over there. She's kind of small, but we got some big ones, that's for sure. So hopefully we have a repeat this year, winning grand champion with the turkeys and also with the chickens. But these chickens here are not the 4-H chickens. We'll get those in July. So let me go ahead and get these guys watered, and then we also are going to go back up to the pig farm and clean Porky's stall and give her a bath. She's got a little bit of mites on her, so I got to bath her and then put a treatment on her. It's not a big deal. It happens. So we'll go ahead and get that, and I'll get it filmed for you guys. So let's get these guys watered. All right, guys, we are up here at the pig barn, and we're gonna get Porky out and work her a little bit, try to wear her down a little bit, and then we're gonna take her out back and see if we can get her a bath. We really haven't had a chance to do a lot of work with her, so this might be an experience. So let's go ahead and get at it. Okay, well, she's all bathed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean her stall up and let her dry out here and sunbathe a little bit. So let's get to that. All right, it's all scraped out, and I'll get a bag of shavings, go ahead and put that in there. Settle down. Okay, she's all clean. Put the treatment for mite on her, and hopefully that'll help her out from itching. So, move on to the next. I guess I better latch the gate. Okay, we got Porky all done. Got her a bath, got her treated for the mites. Hopefully that'll take care of it. Changed the bedding, cleaned her and all out and stuff. So, you know, you can see how she's itching still, but hopefully that'll go away. So that was her very first bath. I didn't think she did too bad. I think she liked it quite a bit, actually. So try to get her a bath maybe once a week. And this is Fred and Sally. These are our feeder pigs. One's going to be a carcass, the other one's just going to be a regular old feeder pig. Now I'll keep a feed to them all the time. I will have to get a probably an automatic feeder. It'll make it a little easier. They got the automatic water, so all I'll have to do is keep the feed in the automatic feeder, and they should be good. They can just get as fat as they want. So we have a limit on Porky. Like I said, we want to get her to at least 260, 270. You know, if she gets a little over that, that's fine. It's great. So we'll see how it goes. You know, we're gonna weigh her again or Sunday. Today's Friday, and see how she does. But definitely wasn't that bad of an experience. I thought she was just gonna fold out the door. She didn't even want to go out the door. I had to push her with this red thing right here. I was told they really don't like these, so I didn't really want to do that. But I'm by myself, and I didn't want her to get loose. So hopefully next time we do it, she'll go right out the door with control of the width and right into the wash bin, which I think she will, because she did like it. She just kind of laid down, let me spray her. I mean, you guys seen it, so pigs love the water. So anyways, that's about it. I'm gonna end this video here, and we'll move on to the next project. I got a couple videos coming out with the garden. That'll be Shed Wars 21 videos and so forth. So there'll be a few videos coming out. We got a few projects ahead of us, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.